Alright guys, again I just want to apologize. We are kind of rushing this through, but as you see we're working on the valve cover, getting all that good stuff off. And here we are with the motor. As you can see, we got it all timed, the pulleys on, all this good stuff back here. So we need the intake manifold, we need the headers, and of course the valve cover. As you see, we're working on that. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and slap on those headers, because I don't think there's anything else that belongs on this side besides that thing, but we don't need it. We'll figure it out. I'm gonna be putting those headers on. Got this amazing, what is this, a 3-piece? Alright, well, I'm gonna go ahead and clean these headers up real quick actually. Alright, we are hitting the valve cover with some of this and some, some acetone. So we didn't figure this would work, but it worked overnight. So we're just gonna soften up that coat and go from there. But back to this. Ooh, look at that. Looks like a brand new motor. The bolts. Gonna give those a clean wipe down as well.
Got some painting paintbrushes.
Those are the smallest ones.
To paint the gold on there, so you don't have to.
Oh. We'll spray painting the whole cover gold, and then the letters black.
I forgot. Yeah. I meant to say black. Do we have the gold?
We have bronze. I'm just hand tightening them, and then I'm gonna torque them down to the proper spec. Bam. We're gonna get back here and do the intake manifold. She's almost done, guys. Yeah, so I'm bolting up the intake manifold. We did get the intake or the exhaust manifold on. So we're gonna try to tighten these as best as possible. And yeah, just coming along. Still waiting on this guy right here. See, we resorted to the wire wheel because it's taking a little more time than we want. You know, so. Alright, well, as you can see, we are now at the valve cover. So, yeah, we're gonna go ahead and paint this valve cover gold, and we're hoping we can get the Honda symbol silver. But let's y'all go from there. Just want to let y'all know, just again, man, I want to apologize for partially getting stuff. We're on a crunch time, and unfortunately we lost our device that edits, and so yeah, we've been going through some things, but we're gonna try to get as much content to you guys as possible, and content that's not shaky, you know, basically content that's not garbage. As soon as we get over this little bump, I'll be able to get like B-roll and stuff. Our camera guy will be able to come through and get some exciting content, some intriguing content, you know. But I hope you guys do like this video. As y'all saw, we painted the valve cover, put on the exhaust and the intake manifold, and before that we did all the ARP head studs and stuff like that. And I hope I captured everything, like, yeah, important, you know. I hope I captured everything that intrigues your guys' attention. Like, share, and subscribe. Please go out there and share. Go out there and go share it. Give us some comments, and definitely go hit up W for your
Not sponsored.
go hit up W for your energy, you know. W.com, Midnight Militia, for 10% off. This freaking car will be on the road sooner than expected. Perfection. Come on. Kitchen. Money. Yeah. Where's the yellow picket?